feel lost in pieces. You make me levitate. Somebody said it's fate. Somehow you always fix the broken pieces. You are the only thing that is benefit for me. And you are the only one that I ever thought I need. When I'm with you, I'm better forever with you. When I'm with you.
Good afternoon, everyone! It's still our third day here in Boracay and katatapos lang namin mag-ATV sa New Coast. It was a great activity, so I highly recommend it. Kung may time kayo, sana matry nyo din siya. So for tonight, magta-try kami ng bagong buffet. Well, new for us kasi first time namin doon. Pupunta kami sa La Fiesta sa Mandarin Bay Resort Spa. So tara, sama kayo, kain tayo! Okay, nandito na tayo sa Mandarin Bay Resort and Spa. Dito tayo dumaan sa main road kasi maulan, so hindi kami naglakad sa White Beach. Dito tayo sa likod dumaan. Ang lively naman dito. Siguro sa mga next visit natin, try din natin dito mag-check-in. So, eto, lalakad na tayo papunta sa La Fiesta. Okay, thank you po. Nice. Ang ganda ng pool nila, oh. Tapos may music pa. Ang saya, no? Ayan, oh. Oo. I get down. Ay, ito na ata. Ay, hindi pa pala. Mamma Mia pala yan. What if I know more? Okay. Wow, ang daming tao. Under Abigail Hogno.
Under Ma'am Abigail.
Your turn, Suri. Give your, your arms. Okay, let's go to our table. Saan daw? Eto? I think here. Yeah. All right, sit down. Okay, so this is La Fiesta. Tingnan natin yung mga food nila rito. Okay? So, dito muna tayo sa dessert section. Blueberry crumbles, almond butter cake, ube royale, red velvet, and brownies. Sorry kung hindi sync kasi binasa ko lang kung ano yung nando doon. And then dito, ayan, meron pa sila sa baba. This one, chocolate truffles, mango banana cream, and custard choco shooter. They have ice cream. This is pandan and cookies and cream. Naku, parehas hindi gusto ni Surreal. Then they have fruits here. Ano to? This is spicy beef bulalo, seafood chowder. Yan, may mga bread, soft roll, pandesal, sourdough bread. They have oatmeal bread and white loaf bread. So, dito, they have rice, tuna fried rice, beef noodles, vegetable gratin. They have beef stroganoff and Cajun seafood boil.
They have Indian station. So, ito yung basmati rice, chicken biryani, Bombay potatoes, and lamb curry. Okay, hindi ko na i-open to. Baka mamaya mainit. Wait lang. It's the... hindi pa siya mainit. Ayan, parang prata. And then this is samosa. I don't know what this is. Naan, I think. Roti pala yung nandun. And then yan, yogurt. Here they have oyster duck. Grilled seafoods. Okay. Ayan. And then squid balls. Lobster balls. Fried tofu. Ano to? Basta iba't ibang seafood siya na pwede mong ipag-grill. And this one is gochujang chicken. Ikaw yung magmi-mix. Here, they have the halo-halo station. Ayan, wala pang tao dito kasi mamaya pa yan after nilang mag-main course. And these are the different condiments, I think. I think this is the salad station. Then they have cheese and ano to? Salami. This is green bean salad, I think. Ayan. And they have sashimi here. Here naman, different types of maki. And then here is fried chicken. Ayan. So they have roast station here. Jellyfish salad, soy chicken. Uy, sarap to. Barbecue char siu. And lechon Macau. I think ito pwede ka magpaluto rito. Here they have a pasta station. And this is their carving station, yung prime rib nila. And ubos na yung tempura station. And this is lechon de Cebu. Okay, so actually, maliit lang siya. Yun lang yung food section niya or food area niya. So, tara, let's get some food and let's see if it's good. Kain na tayo. Okay, ito na yung first round natin. So, we have the steak. Tapos, ito yung fried chicken nila. This is the soy chicken. Meron sila nitong barbecue char siu, lechong Macau, and lechon Cebu. And then, ito, medyo messy siya tingnan kasi pinagsama-sama ko lang. So, this is the beef noodles, chicken biryani, samosa. We have the Cajun seafood and beef stroganoff. So, tara, let's start. Tanong nga muna natin si Surreal. Surreal, what are you having? Fried chicken? Yeah? Good ba? Yeah? Okay, good. Okay. Actually, first impression, medyo chaotic siya. Ang gulo ng pila sa labas. Like, basta ang daming tao. Tapos, magbabayad. Ang sistema nila is, dun pa lang magbabayad ka na. So, anyway, ito yung pinagmamalaki nila, yung Angus Prime Beef Steak nila. So, let's try it. I hope this is good. Let's see kung makakabawi tayo ng dinner for tonight kasi kahapon wala yung dinner natin. Sarap. In fairness, it's good. Kumuha din ako ng mashed potato. Ganito yung steak, may alat. I like it. Try naman natin yung fried chicken nila. Ito siya. Sarap yung balat. Yung lasa ng fried chicken, nasa balat lang. Although hindi na siya crispy, pero masarap. Tapos yung, what do you call this? Yung pinakalaman niya, walang ganong lasa. Nasa balat siya lahat. Let's try naman yung soy chicken. Natuwa ako nung nakita ko yung parang roast station nila doon. Meron pa nga hindi ko lang napakita. May mga dim sum din sila. Kasi nandun siya sa bandang loob, so you have to request it. Try natin tong soy chicken nila. Siya. O nga pala, may sounds lang, no? Uy, in fairness, legit soy chicken, masarap. Party-party sila rito, no? Tong resort na to. Ito yung barbecue char siu. Ay, hindi kita. Ayan. Ito yung barbecue char siu. Let's try it. Kuha nila yung lasa. Nice. Ang comment ko lang, hindi na siya mainit. Pero masarap. Kuha nila yung lasa. Yung soy chicken tsaka yung barbecue char siu. Try naman natin lechon Macao. Kuha din nila yung lasa. Hindi naman, ang lang, hindi na crispy yung balat niya sa ibabaw. But still good. Tender yung meat tapos maalat. And then, ito yung lechon Cebu. Kita ba? Harap yung mga pagkain, ha? Lechon Cebu. Again, hindi na rin ganun ka-crispy. Pero pasado pa, pwede pa. Tapos ang lambot nung meat. Tapos malinamnam, maalat. Hindi bland. Okay. Try naman natin tong tong beef noodles nila. This is the beef noodles. Harap. Meron siyang lasang konting yung noodles parang starchy, pero masarap. Alam mo, kumapit talaga yung sauce dun sa noodles. Okay. Next, beef stroganoff. Malambot yung beef. Sarap yung cream. So far, on point yung mga pagkain. Seafood Cajun. Ang sarap. And the best part is nakabalat na yung shrimp. Hindi mo napabalatan. Ang sarap. Bitik mo mata. Okay. Let's try the chicken biryani. Nakakatuwa naman. Kahit chaotic yung lugar. Tsaka medyo maliit. Sarap yung food. Chicken biryani. Masarap siya, although alam mong adjusted for the Filipino palate. Hindi siya ganong maanghang. Hindi rin, OA sa herbs. And then, let's try the samosa. Good din. Actually, masasarap. Ang problema lang, hindi na sila crispy. Okay. So, pumunta tayo dun sa make your own noodles. We have the laksa. Tikman natin siya. Good, in fairness. For a buffet, good yung laksa. Lasang-lasa mo yung gata. Gata ba? Coconut cream, I think, right? Ay, sarap. Let's taste the noodles. Masyadong ano yung noodles niya. Slippery. Panalo yung laksa. Okay. Try naman natin yung carbonara. Ito yung from the make your own pasta station. Hindi matabang. Masarap. Good. Nakakatuwa. Tapos meron pa silang mga paluto na na seafood. So napapaisip ako, luging-lugi talaga kami sa dinner namin kagabi, no? Yung dinner namin kagabi, isang crab, 1/4 na shrimp, isang squid, tapos isang crispy pata, mga 4-5 na yon. Eh eto, ganun din halos yung presyo. May dessert ka pa, ang dami pang choices. Like, eggs talaga yung kagabi. This one, sulit for me. Ang sarap. Kamusta yung halo-halo? Good?
Normal lang.
Normal lang. Kamusta naman yung ibang pagkain?
Sarap lahat.
Sarap lahat? Para sa'yo, sulit yung 1/4?
Sulit.
Sulit.
Lang, kulang lang sila sa fruits.
Sa fruits, nga. Konti lang yung
Parang
fruits nila.
dalawa lang.
Dalawang type lang to. How about you, Cyril? You're happy? Okay. Dessert time na tayo. So, brownie, ube. Nakalimutan ko to, almond cake, red velvet. And then, I forgot the name of the rest. I think this is mousse and this is choco shooter. Yan, try natin siya. Okay, dahil dessert na tayo, kasama natin si Cyril. Okay, you wanna start the brownie? Okay. You wanna use this or you wanna use your hand? Okay. You like it? You like it? Okay, my turn. Let me try it too. Oh, it's fudgy. Fudgy siya. Good siya. Ito, nga lang siya? Super fudgy niya. Hindi siya yung moist na brownie. But I think you like this type of brownie, no? Gusto rin yung mga ganun eh. Do you wanna try the others? Ha? Brownie lang? How about this one, the choco mousse? Okay. Okay, try the choco mousse. This one. Use the spoon.
Cake?
Yeah. There you go. Careful. There you go. You like it? Which one is better, that one or the brownie? Brownie. Okay. You want to get the brownie? Okay. Do you want to try other dessert? No, mommy na? Okay. All right, I'll give you the brownie.
Let me try to taste this one.
Okay, you want to try it?
Will you try to taste this one?
Okay, you want me to taste that first? Okay. Okay. Eat the brownie. Try ko daw yung red velvet cake. Here it is. Not good. Dry siya. Ang nalasahan ko lang talaga yung icing lang. Ito lang. Wala akong nalasahan na red velvet. I don't have high hopes for the dessert.
Shout out to Kaja.
Oh, shout out to Kaja. Let's go. Hi, Kaja. Oh, one more. 1, 2, 3. Hi, Kaja. Okay. Next is ube. Ito rin. Makulay siya pero walang lasa. Ito yung kulay, oh. Pero walang lasa. Itsura pa lang kanina, alam ko ng ano eh. Hindi magiging okay yung dessert. Let's try this one. In fairness, itong almond cake, may lasa.
There's gold in the top.
Yeah, there's gold. Para siyang lemon pound cake. Tapos, ito may lasa to. Let's try the chocolate shooter. How do you eat this? Like this? Shooter daw eh. Okay, let's try it. How do you eat this? Hindi kasha yung ano. Yeah. This one is good. I mean, sakto lang. You can taste the cocoa and cream. Let's try the choco mousse. Oopsie. This is thick.
Tastes good. I want it.
I put it there. It's good. It's just really thick.
Try this one.
Okay, let's try that one. Hang on. Ang galing ko ba? Hindi siya rin ng brownie. Oh. Kinain niya lang yung toppings tsaka yung... Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, let's put it here. I forgot the name of this dessert, but let's try it. Are you gonna try it?
Didn't like it.
May maasim eh. All I tasted was something sour, and then the cream, and then nuts.
Eat this. It's gold.
Gold? Oh, it's chocolate painted gold. Masarap yung nuts niya, ha? If you want to avail yung drinks nila, ito nga pala yung price niya. Yung standard, $3.80. The premium is $6.80. Pag di ka nag-avail nito, water lang yung drinks. Okay, so that's it for our La Fiesta experience. So for me, okay naman yung price niya. Bagay, no? Sakto yung price niya for the quality of food. Although, konti yung selection, most of them masarap naman. Ang comment ko lang siguro, ay, pati pala yung mga staff nila, mababait sila and attentive. Siguro, ang negative lang dito is yung pila sa harap. Yung process nila, parang, syempre, di ba, kapag pupunta ka sa mga establishment, sa mga restaurant or any establishment, gusto mo maganda yung first impression mo. Pagdating namin, parang palengke yung pila sa labas. Like, sabog-sabog. Di ba? Sabog yung pila. Tapos, mahaba yung pila. Kaya pala mahaba yung pila kasi pagdating mo doon, lalagyan ka nila ng ganito, ng bracelet, tapos magbabayad ka na din doon. So, siguro, kailangan lang improve yung process na yon. Tapos, ano pa ba? Overall kasi yung layout ng restaurant, para siyang narrow, pa-rectangle, no? Kaya mukha siyang masikip. Tapos, ito, pakita ko, Hawi. So, para siyang pa-rectangle. Tapos, nandoon na rin yung mga pagkain. Kaya medyo mukha siyang masikip and crowded. Pero, overall, for me, I think sulit siya. Kasi dito sa Boracay, kapag marami kaming order sa restaurant, nagre-range yung bill namin ng mga 3,000 to 4,000 per meal. So, ito, with the selection, tapos buffet siya, I think okay na siya. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for joining us tonight. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye!